So this is I1. So this is I1, which means 1 ampere. This is I2, means this is 2 ampere. So 1, so this must be 1 ampere. This is 1 and this is 2. So I minus I1, this must be 1 ampere. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now the question is, I need to find the value of R and V1. R and V1. That is what I am going to find out. So again, I'll take this as 0. So this must be minus 8, because here 0 is higher potential, because we have taken that current flows in this direction. So if this is 1, the potential drop across the 8 ohm resistor will be 80 to 1, which is 8 volt. So if this is 0, this must be minus 8. Again, this is 0. So what it means is that if I say that the potential drop, or rather the potential of this battery source is 36 volts, what it means is that this potential will be lower than this by 36, or rather this will be higher than this by 36. So if this is 0, this must be minus 36. So this is higher potential. So I can say that this minus this is 28, right? Minus 8 plus 36 is 28 plus 8 is 36, right? 28, yes. So this is 28, and I know that this current is 2. This current is 2. So this R value must be 28 divided by 2, which is 14. Oh, but I have got 3 options. So I have to find out the value of V1 also. So again, to begin with, I know that this value is 14, and if this current is 1 ampere, the potential drop across this resistance will be 14, which means that if this is minus 8, I need a value which is higher than minus 8 by 14, which will be 6 minus minus 8, right? 6 minus minus 8 is 14. So this must be 6. So it must be 6 volts. So yes, I have option D.